Hi guys, so here is my latest invention. I just created this double brick rocket stove. This is cost me no money at all. Everything you see here, I found it on the street. Somebody threw away some bricks, and also this refrigerator trays, and all of this building material is I found it, so I didn't have to pay a single penny for this. And now I have a double rocket stove. One is smaller and the other one is bigger, can handle more fire. So I want to show you how easy it is to cook anything, or heat up anything, make tea. I just made this big tea yesterday for kombucha. I'm brewing kombucha here. We'll be brewing soon. And so here is how easy it is to make a fire. So I have to do this with one hand, but so here is my previous propane setup. It works very well, but I have to pay for propane. So with the rocket stove you don't need to. So let me just get this thing going. You can use anything for starter. Just put it in there. Throw a little vegetable oil on it. Helps it to get going very easily. And then just throw everything in there on top of it. Oops. Okay, so let's see. Put this all in there. And pretty soon you have a nice fire. See that? So you can like heat up water or do anything you want. It takes a few days to learn how to control the fire. Okay, the smoke is going out at the roof. It's not an enclosed area. This is like a kitchen in Costa Rica. The smoke just goes out over there. And I have a fan over here that's kind of blowing everything that way to the left, so it goes out on the top. And actually it's not that smoky usually. Yeah, it depends on the wood, I guess. So anyway, yeah, so basically this thing is made out of about 12 bricks for this and about 18 bricks for this one. And there is some kind of a clay to hold the 2 bricks up here, so you can put things in there easily. That's where you take the ash out. It's very easy. From here you can just take the ash out like so. So look at that, we have fire. Cost no money whatsoever. The fuel is free, the bricks were free, everything is free here. Cost me no money at all. and I'm saving money on propane. Yeah, so if you start it with a little bit of vegetable oil, it gets going very fast, like that. And that's all you need to heat up anything, cook tea, make anything. So, and I'm just making this video because I just saw another video on YouTube where somebody was talking about that people don't know how to boil water without electricity. Okay, but I created this before I saw that video, and I'm like, wow, how can anybody not figure this out for themselves? Also, there is a plate here which is like a clay tile or something that keeps the heat from damaging the table, but the table is also tile. We just don't want to, mess it up. So there is another thing in there under the fire, so it doesn't burn up the table completely. But look how nice it is. Very easy to cook with that. Very safe. Of course, you have to make sure that you don't set things on fire. This is where I keep the twigs. I just go outside and collect a basket of twigs, and that works for a week. One of those work for a week. Yeah. So this is how you boil water without electricity, for free. Okay, thank you for watching.